يلا واش ناخت حرام.
Yeah. No, I can't fucking understand.
Shut up! Mac! Are you okay?
Well, I've just been beaten to within an inch of my life for having to use centimetres.
Shh, come on, quiet down. You don't want him to come back.
Oh, I swear I can fucking breathe now. Don't tell me to be quiet, Sean. Those fuckers just giving me hell out there.
Okay. I'm sorry. Didn't think. Just really scared, you know?
Aye. Me too, boy. Me too. Sean. Come here. I think the fuckers tied me too loose again.
All right.
Yeah. All right, you got it.
Yep.
Got it. You got it. Oh. Fuck off, you fucking
Thanks. So, did our friends want this time?
Oh, you know, the usual. All the prisons they released to the hell by the military. Army to withdraw from the country. Oh, and our ransom's gone up 4 mil. If I don't know you worth that much money, I'd have kidnapped me fucking self years ago.
Shit.
Oh,
I think that's more than the Times makes in a year now. I really ain't bankrupt them with all this. I need that job when I get home. Anything else?
oh. How could I forget? Death to the infidels.
What day is it now?
I don't know. Sometime between Monday and Sunday. Our anniversary's coming up soon.
You know, I've been living with you longer than me and Jill have been together now.
Living? I'd hardly call this living, boy.
It's funny, isn't it? How time flies when you're having fun.
Oh. Fun? Yeah. But you're having so much fun. Where's me ring, you cheap gobshite?
Well, of course. Let me see. I'm supposed to spend, what, a month's wages on it? So, a month's wage is nothing times nothing. Carry the one, subtract the delivery costs, and yeah. I think we have it.
Very funny, boy. You'll never make an honest woman out of me.
One day, remember, we have all the time in the world.
Sean, there's something I need to tell you. I overheard them, you say. They're talking about releasing me. gonna let me go, Sean.
I see. And me? Oh, well, congratulations are in order, it seems. What do people do when they celebrate again? Well, it's been a while since I've had any reason to do that. I know. Cake. That's what people do when they celebrate. They eat cake.
Blimey, boy. That looks good enough to eat, so it does.
I should hope so. Special delivery from the little cake shop back home. I'll take you there when we both get out. The cake is good, but a little bit basic. What can we do to add a little bit of class? We should dress for the occasion.
Shirts? Blimey. I'd want my princess since graduation.
You sure it hasn't turned to dust by now? Must be prehistoric.
It's pretty fresh to me, cheeky. But
Now, surely two gentlemen of such fine esteem as ourselves deserve a fitting meal as such.
indeed. Do you reckon it's good in Paris, Johnny? Huh?
You know, I've never been. This does remind me of a good spread that me and Jill made once. Oh, the anchovies were to die for.
You'll see her again soon, bye. You'll see her again soon. Sean, what's wrong?
There's something missing. A toast. A toast to my dear friend, Cormac. Damn it, we haven't got any booze. What good's a toast without any booze?
Oh, haven't we now?
Cormac. Mac. You've been with me since all this hell broke loose around us. You kept me sane all those years with all your awful jokes and your crude comments. If you would have told me 4 years ago I'd be spending what seems like the best part of my 20s with some gruff, fossilised Irish bastard like yourself, I would have dismissed it in a heartbeat.
Ah, you're not too bad yourself, boy. Cheers.
But Mac, You're a man any person would be lucky enough to spend captivity with. You're a part of me. I wouldn't have survived without you.
Sean, we'll see each other again.
Yes, we will, my friend. I'll see you soon.